you have to say, was this in good taste or bad
I
taste?
think it's very good taste. I think there are very few people who can carry off
This
an
attire.
attire, and I think he really pulled it off well.
So Ranveer Singh really has good taste.
For sure.
Okay, fine. So Ranbir Kapoor has given his verdict on that.
Dal chawal, greatest taste. Say better can. Also there's pyaz
There's
and
mirchi.
mirchi and papad and
Yeah.
nimbu. Matlab, this is a...
But you like this meal
Love
or you're more into paya?
Yeah, but I know that...
You like dal chawal, obviously.
Yeah, but I know the health hazards of paya. Like, we've seen that within our family.
Yeah,
so something like this is awesome.
Yeah, I love it.
What's your favorite home food, Bebo?
Mine is also, I love khichdi and achar.
Khichdi and achar.
So it's a version of dal
What
chawal.
kind of achar?
Both Saif and me love aam and neembu ka achar.
Okay. So your favorite cuisine is ghar ka khana?
Yeah.
Nothing
Indian
beats.
food. जैसे कि हमारी फैमिली में है कि we love Chinese food, I'm not so into Chinese.
ये तो utmost favorite. जब भी मैं film city में shoot करता हूँ, but you know, honestly, I am a bigger fan of bhajia pav than vada pav.
Really?
I like the aloo bhajia. I put 5-6 of them.
हाँ.
You put that chutney, everything, but you put 5-6 aloo bhajia and also kanda bhajia, and with pav, I prefer that to vada pav. So I would still say great taste. I mean,
Yeah,
this
very
is
good
our
taste.
food
School,
of our
even school days.
yeah,
no?
yeah, everything. ठीक है, ये आप हो?
I wish. I think you know who this person is.
Is it Urfi?
Yeah.
I'm not a big fan of this kind of fashion, but I believe that we are living in a world today that if you're comfortable in your
Good
skin,
taste,
you can
bad taste, Ranbir.
Okay, bad taste.
Now we have this last one.
Is this PC?
Yes.
You know everything, huh?
But I just want to know, I just want to just inform everyone कि जैसे आप सब देख रहे हैं कि रणबीर को सब पता है. He has answered everything without seeing these pictures, just acting, pretending that he's
PC is
not
awesome.
on Insta.
So definitely good taste. I think she has a lot of courage and she pulls it off. And because she has this
Yeah.
self-confidence.
Yeah,
and if you
absolutely.
have self-confidence, you can pull off anything. So I would say great taste.
Great taste. Perfect. Now a game of choices. कुछ choices दूंगी and basically you have to decide which of the two choices you prefer. Revenge after breaking up or high road?
Revenge after breaking up, or high road for sure. Like, you know, after you break up and जब दो लोगों का रिश्ता टूटता है, there is a lot of tension and there's a lot of negativity, and obviously one person is always more hurt than the other person. But revenge से कुछ मिलता नहीं है. Unless that person has really intentionally hurt you and kind of dicked you over, then, you know, it makes sense. But I haven't taken revenge on anyone, so high road
Yeah,
is
that's yeah.
What about you?
No, I'm always the high road.
Yeah, I know that.
I'm not interested in.
Yeah.
It's a negative emotion.
Yeah.
Live-in relationship या शादी?
I believe in both. You know, I feel live-in relationship, there's nothing wrong in it. Me and Alia were in a live-in relationship before we got married. And it very naturally progressed towards marriage. And especially during COVID, you know, those 2-3 years.
Yeah.
And also the fact that my father was very unwell during that period also got us very close together.
Strange. Even Saif and me were met like that.
Yeah. So I'm for both of them. You know, live-in and shadi.
Stay up and fight with Alia or sleep over it?
I'm the sleep over it kind of a guy. You know, let's just sleep over it and pick it up in the morning, because by then, see, क्या होता है कि when a couple fights, sometimes to hurt the other person, a lot of things are said for effect, and you don't really mean it, and the other person thinks that you're coming from a place of something, so that person takes those 3-4 words and it stays with that person, and then you have to clarify it. So it always comes in the heat of the moment. So I always believe that, you know, if there is a fight happening, just kind of take some space.
How are you so sensible? I think prepared. ये answers prepare करके आया.
मुझे अब ये question ही नहीं पता था. But wait, let me finish my answer. So I feel that space is great, and also Alia is somebody, she's a lawyer. So if she feels that she is wrong, she will not let go till she makes a point clear. And I'm the guy who has no ego. I don't have self-respect also. I'm very happy saying sorry, even if I'm in the right or wrong. But I like that space. I like the concept of space.
100 crore ka box office या critically?
100 crore ka box office, no. I mean, you know, when you're younger, you want to do films for yourself to kind of showcase your acting skill and all of that. But Bebo, those kind of films, like I can speak for myself, like if I do a Wake Up Sid or say a Barfi and all, that's fine. But when you do a film where a large number of audience sees it and your country sees it, we got such a diverse audience, and if you can make everybody happy, there is no greater joy than that. So box office success over anything.
The next one is the inclusivity game. तो मैं कुछ statements दूंगी और तुम्हें thumbs up या thumbs down में जवाब देना पड़ेगा. Equal pay for male and female actors.
Of course.
All for it.
Yeah, for sure.
Being fair skinned makes you more confident.
I don't think so.
An artist's background defines his or her talent.
You mean from the family they come from? Absolutely not. I mean, if you go and see in our industry, most of the biggest actors, actresses, directors are somebody who haven't come from film families.
Women actors shouldn't be taller than their male actors.
I mean, that's rubbish. They could be tall, they could be short, they could be thin, fat, doesn't matter. I mean, the biggest superstars of our country, the three Khans, aren't that tall.
Yeah.
And they worked with all actresses, and it didn't matter if they're tall or short.
Yeah, height doesn't matter.
Height doesn't matter.
And finally, क्योंकि audience हमारी family के बारे में जानना चाहते, they love knowing about obviously, a little bit of how we all are. तो मैं आपको कुछ फर्जी award categories दूंगी, and you have to say who in the family basically deserve it.
ठीक है.
सबसे बड़ा foodie.
I would probably say Chimpu Chacha. He was a foodie, and Arman.
I was just going to say Arman.
Arman and Reema.
I believe at Siddharth and Kiara's wedding, he has eaten so much, you have no idea.
But Reema Bua.
Reema, but I feel Arman is really.
Reema, Arman, and Chimpu Chacha.
Hamesha late. You.
No, for me, time is very important. I'm always on time. But Hamesha late, I would say, are you good with time?
I'm good with time.
Yeah, I think everybody respects time in our family. I don't think I don't know how Shami Kapoor and Shashi Kapoor and Raj Kapoor. Raj Kapoor actually is the first person in the film industry who started the 2 to 2 shift because he wanted to really kind of be inspired by his movies and sleep late. So he started the 2 o'clock shift, the 2 p.m. shift. I mean, I've heard these stories from a lot of people.
2 to 2.
So I would say that probably he was not really on time.
On time. I'm not asking this next one because मुझे पता है ये answer क्या है.
I want to know.
And
say no.
We both are allowed to answer this. I know the answer.
Say,
Gossip monger.
I think Bebo, you and me have this bad reputation, I think it's because of Karan. He got very lonely and jealous because everybody was blaming him, and he wanted some company, so he started using our names.
Yeah, I think so. No?
The thing is,
clarify this.
The thing is, you and me are very interested about what's happening in the film industry, what movies are happening. Because we are fans.
We just want to know.
We want to know. But I think gossip would be. Let's give it to Reema Bua.
Poor thing. I mean, okay, fine. Yeah, she likes to collect.
Yeah.
Na?
So it's not you and me.
No. सबसे बड़ा लड़ाकू.
सबसे बड़ा लड़ाकू. I think it would be Papa. Like he used to fire people a lot. So I would say him.
The pushover.
I think Ritu Bua was someone who was really sweet and docile and somebody who really was selfless.
And now I think it would be Lolo.
Lolo and Tashu.
All three of them were they're pretty similar.
Yeah.
So on the contrary to popular belief, लोग कहते थे कि जब शादी हो जाती है, especially जब heroines की शादी हो जाती है, तो उनकी career खत्म हो जाता है. So what do you think is
I think it's such a stupid, dated concept. I mean, you've also been the torchbearer of this. You've had such an illustrious, amazing career. You got married, you had children at your own terms, at your peak, and you never left your peak. You're still at your peak. And I think that's something which is a great example. I know that Alia looks up to you, when she was getting into this part of her life, about marriage and child. And she always, was very inspired by how you have balanced your professional life and personal life. I think you guys are all, disruptors of all these old age concepts and thoughts, and which is great.
Ranveer, सारे celeb parents चाहते हैं that of course their children lead a completely normal life, away from the paparazzi culture. So how do you and Alia believe that you're not going to deal with this?
We definitely don't want to sit on this high castle and say that, oh, ye mat karo, wo mat karo. We understand that we both are actors, and there is a certain level of interest that comes the fact that you're actors, that people want to, get you photographed. When Taimur was born, the kind of attention that the media tilted towards Taimur was unbelievable. We've never seen that ever. I don't think any industry has ever seen that. A child gets so much of attention. So as parents, we'll just try and protect it as much as we can. It's not something that, it's not a do and die situation. Like we said, we just want for her to have a normal upbringing. The fact to go to school, not make her feel too, special around, different children, and she should just have a normal life. So just that, other than that, there's no rule, or there is no oh no, we want it this way. Raha should not grow up after 4-5 years and say that why are they not kicking me?
No, that I don't think that
she
is
should
not
be saying that also.
That is not going to happen. But this is the right approach because
what if she comes one day and says, see how much Jay and Taimur get tricked? मेरे तो कोई photos ही नहीं ले रहा.
ऐसे तो होगा नहीं, but in fact, Saif और हमने भी decide किया था कि actually we're just going to be like, you know, just go with the flow.
Yeah.
But there's always that thing, हाँ, इसकी बेटी है, उसका बेटा. There's always that I.
But did you ever get dragged in school and all?
No.
You didn't. I did. Like I got bullied. I got.
But bullied? Why would you get bullied?
Sometimes you know, being an actor's son, you know, your seniors, sometimes they bully you because you are like a soft target. But I think somewhere that also kind of hardens you. That also kind of, you know, prepares you for the world. I think it was a blessing only. I don't see it as, oh, I'm tormented by the fact that I was bullied.
No, of course.
But I was bullied being an actor's son in school for sure.